start with the first one here. So Guidepost. Guidepost is going to pay you about $100 per article. So if you're creative, you can get on here and you can post articles and you can submit to them, and they will put them up on their website here. And there's a lot of different areas. You got family, there's parenting, there's better living. This is going to be, it's going to be a kind of a mix of health and fitness and type living. Okay, so Guidepost is going to be the first one. The next one is going to be Babel. Babel is going to be a more of a kind of a kids or maybe a fun type website. This is by Disney, and this is more geared towards female, because this is going to be about babies. It's going to be about lifestyle, entertainment. But Babel is going to pay you roughly around $150 per article when you submit to them. So you can create a 500 word article or maybe 1,000 word article, and they'll pay you $150 up to $150 per article that you create for them. The next one is going to be the Atlantic. The Atlantic is going to be more a political type website. So if you're into the politics and you wanted to create some content here, you could do that. There's different areas inside of here, but a lot of this is just going to be news of the day. What's going on as far as what are the politics things that are going on in the day. So you could go and learn about what's going on in the politics. Then you could write a report or an article, and you could submit it to the Atlantic. Atlantic's going to pay probably around $250, maybe $250 per article that you submit. Then the next one is going to be the Daily Beast. Okay, so this is going to be another political type, news of the day type website that they're looking for content, and they're going to pay you right around $250 per article that you submit to the Daily Beast. So the next one is going to be Freshbooks. Actually, Freshbooks, I was surprised when I saw this, but Freshbooks will actually pay you to talk about their accounting software. So if accounting is your thing and numbers are your thing, and you want to talk about the accounting stuff, the mathematics and all that good stuff, well, you can add to their blog, and they'll pay you right around $300 per article. Okay, so Freshbooks is going to pay you content to put onto their blog, a lot of like tax tips and business type things. Okay, so you get on there and create some content and submit that to Freshbooks. Michelle Pippen, she's going to pay you. I think she's going to pay you around $300 per article that you put up. This is going to be more of a women's type blog, and you just got to reach out and you create content. So if you're into women's type things, then Michelle Pippen is going to be a good website to write articles for. Now, GetAbstract, this one is going to be a little bit different. This one actually, what they do is they pay you to summarize books, which is really cool. And this website is going to pay you, they're going to pay you up to about $300, maybe $350 to summarize books for this website. So it's kind of like a Cliff Notes of books, and that's a huge topic right now. People, they don't have time for a lot of things, and so they want to get into books, but they want to get some Cliff Notes to it. So GetAbstract is going to be a website that's going to pay you for your content that you submit to them. And then the last one, this one, the tablet, the tablet is going to pay you anywhere from $300 all the way up to almost $1,000 per article that you put onto this website. Okay, so this is going to be all about a lot of things going on in the world, a lot of news and politics, religion, arts and culture. You can see a lot of this stuff right here, and there's going to be a lot of content that you can put in here, but this one's going to pay you the most for the content that you create. And if you're consistent and you have really good content, you can make a full-time living doing this work at home with the tablet Mag. Okay. Hey, so if you want to get some information on how to take your business or how to get a business online, how to really get passive income going, click on the link below this video in the description. I'm going to give you my number one recommended opportunity to make money online. So here you go. This is the best typing online, easy jobs that you could create content, submit to these blogs, and they'll pay you for your content. All right. So just all you got to do is take action on that. This is Tyler Pratt. If you like this video, though, make sure you like it. Also share it with your friends.